grade 3. Today I will make revision with you. This number read as 539. 539. The place value of 9 is ones. Place value of 3 is tens. The place value of 500. Again, 539. 539. Place value of 9 ones. Place value of 3 tens. Place value of 500. Exercise 1. Write the place value of 4 in each term. I need place value 241. 241. Start by ones. 1. Place value of 1. Ones. Next tens. Next tens. Hundreds. So 241. 1 is ones. 4. Place value 4 tens. Place value 2 hundreds. I need place value of 4. 4. Place value 4 tens. Letter 469. 469. 9 is ones. Next tens. Next 100. So place value of 4 is hundreds. 984. 984. The place value of 4 is ones. So the place value, write the place by words. A 263. 263. Ones. Tens. 100. I need place value of 6. Write place value of 6 tens by letter. Place value of 6, 396 is ones. Next 692. 692. I need the place value number 6. Ones, tens, 100. Next 539. 539. The value of 9, only 9, because it's ones. 3. The value of 3, 30, because 3 is tens. 5. The value of 5, 500, but write by digit, because it's 500. 251. 251. Don't forget value. 1. Ones. Tens. 100. I need value of number 5. 50. Letter P. 549. 549. I need value of number 5 is 500, but by digit. C. 385. 385. I need value of 5 is 5 only, because this ones. Letter B. Write the value of 8 in each number. 381. 381. Value of number 8 is 80, because it's tens. 268. 268. Value of 8, only 8. 865, 865, value numbers 800 by digit. Next. Sorry. Write the number in digits. Write the number in digits. 832. 832. Exactly. When you see 100, so I have 3 digits. 800, 8 above 100, and 32. 32. Number 2, 974. 974. Also, I have here a 100. 974. 3, 270. 270. 2 above 100. Sorry, under 100. 70. 404. 404. 400. This one. 100. 400. 4 ones. I don't have tens, put 0. 404. Next. Complete using greater than, smaller than, or equal. Letter A, 831 or 829. 831 or 829. Start by from 100. I have the same 100. Type 31 or 29. Yes, 831 greater than to 829. Letter B, 477, 608. 477 or 608. 9 under the 100, 4 and 6. 6 is bigger than 4, so 608 bigger than 477. Letter C, 199, 200. 199, 200. 200 bigger than 199. 234, 234 equal 2 numbers. Exercise 5. Complete using the numbers 58, 77, 20, 43, 21, 70. The odd numbers are, the even numbers are. Type. The ones of any number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so odd number. Even number is ones of any number 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 58. Once here 8. 58. So this even. 58. Next. 77. 77. The ones of 7 is a odd number. 20. 20. Once 0, then even. 43. The ones here, 3. So, odd number. 21, 1. And ones with odd number, 21. Last number, 0 is even number. Next. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order from smallest to the greatest. Ascending order from smallest to the greatest. Letter A, 885, 685, 760, 480, 766, 900. Put under 100, underline, 6, 7, 4, 7, 9. Which number smaller than? Start from 480. Next, smaller, 685. I have 700, 760, 766. So 760 is smaller than 760, smaller than 766. Last number, 900. Letter B, 865, 706, 158, 766, 800. Which one is smaller? Yes, 158, number 1. Next, 706. Next, 766. Next, 800. Next, 865. Last one. Now, evaluation. Stop the video and remember, then answer. Complete. Write the correct value of 6 in each number. 261. 261. Don't forget, I need only value. So, value number 6, 60. Letter B, 649. 649. Please value? No. Value. Value of number 6 is 600 by digits. 386. 386. Value number 6. Only 6 because this once. Right? 220. 220, right? S 220. Homework. First study well, then answer the homework. Good luck. Thank you.